In this video, I'll show you how to request money on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal business or personal account at PayPal. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option called Send and Request or Request Money. Next, click on Request and enter the email address, phone number, or PayPal username of the person you want to request money from. After that, enter the amount you want to request and select the correct currency. Now you can add a note to explain why you're requesting the money, such as for a service, product, or shared expense. Next, review the request details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click Request Payment or Send Request. PayPal will then send a notification to the person, and they will be able to pay you directly through their PayPal account. After that, you can track the status of your request inside your PayPal dashboard to see if it is pending, paid, or still waiting. Finally, once the payment is completed, the money will appear in your PayPal balance and you can use it, withdraw it, or transfer it to your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request money on PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.